Hi, welcome to the Just Tech Me at Python tutorial series. This video covers looping through a basic list. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. Start by creating a simple list of elements. If the item is a single element, the element is printed. However, if the item is a list, each element of the nested list will be printed. Our list will not contain any nested lists. It will only contain elements. If you look at the terminal, you will see that I have created a list containing US states. We will call our list myList. First, we will print the list. Now we will sort the list using the sort function. Our list object will be permanently changed. Let's reprint the list to see the sorted object. Using a simple loop, we will iterate over the entire object. Using a single for loop, we will print all elements that do not match the string Nevada. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. I invite you to watch my other video offerings. Among them are the Python series, the Python Pandas series, the R programming series, and the Leetcode diary.